looking here at this electric kettle. It's made of stainless steel bottom there, which is easy to clean with vinegar or lemon oil if it ever gets stained there just from mineral deposits. This is the bottom base of it. It sits on this base here. This one there, just by placing it on there. I wish it would have a locking mechanism. Here's the back of it. And I wish that these were protruding a little bit more to keep the main base a little bit more secure. I think that could definitely have been improved upon. Coming up to here, once you set it down, it does kind of lock in. You do have to make sure your cord, though, is over on the little spot where they have for it there. If not, you know, it does wobble, which isn't great for hot liquids. So once again, the base really needs some improvement there. This is because here, you know, you're just trying to work to get the cord just over to the slot there. There's only one slot there. Once you get that set, you're pretty well set. You can set the pot on. Okay, so that is the my biggest pet peeve with this. Here's the cord. You just plug it in, basically. You know, so that's easy to do. The cord is average. You know, your kitchen appliances don't have very much. Put the top on, and I really like the light in there that lights up. This is the blue one, so this is blue here. As you can see, you do have some wobble. And this is, you know, level here. It's just the nature of this base. I tried everything when I first got it. It's like, why is that just not latching in there? How does that latch in? And so you can actually lift it up. And when you do, it does hit the automatic off. That's minimum level. That's maximum level there, 1.5 liters. So, you know, I really like it though. Very easy to use, rubberized. Top up here, heats up really quick. I like, you know, this for tea, warming things up really quick, easy at the office or at home. I do like how, you know, the movability of this thing while it's on that. I think that's cool, but it just needed a lock, I think. Or like another thing like this to like lift it up. Other than that, I say it's 4.0, just because I have to take 1 star away just from a weak base design. And as I said, you know, if they had maybe weighted a little bit of a base there, or weighted base that would hold that down more, and a little bit better design here with this as well, would have been a great idea. So there it is. I really like this pot though, this kettle pot here, and it does heat up well.
Unboxing my new tea kettle because my last one died. This is a pretty decent sized picture. Here you have the heating plate. It's very thin, super lightweight, and then of course, you know, you have your plug for the outlet. Set that aside for now. And then we have the actual kettle itself. It's got like a rose gold finish to it, matte all the way around, super sleek. So it's gonna look nice on a modern countertop. You have this button that you're gonna push down in order to open it. And on the inside, it's stainless steel. And then in the spout area, of course, there's like a sieve there for the water to come out of. There we go.
So is going through inside. The top right here. Let me focus. There's a manufacturing default. Where is it? It's going in through here, and then when we pour anything out, it's gonna come out from this side and then go into that. drink or whatever. Can't move this, can't take this out. It's just washing it to use it, but you can't, obviously.
Mira qué bonito. Lo bonito es lo bonito. Me gusta. Calienta rápido y súper bonito.
这很危险吗？一直烧就烧干掉了。
It just broke. So, yeah.